Hey, welcome back. Imagine walking down a bustling city street. You see a bank, a classic brick-and-mortar establishment, with long lines and limited hours. Now, picture opening your phone and managing your entire financial life from the comfort of your couch, 24/7. That's the reality with online-only banks like Ally Bank. But have you ever stopped to wonder, why? Why ditch the traditional model altogether? Why choose the digital realm exclusively? Is it just about cutting costs, or is there something deeper, something more strategic, at play? We live in a world increasingly dominated by digital experiences. From streaming our favorite shows to ordering groceries, convenience and accessibility are paramount. So, it's only natural that the banking industry would evolve to meet these changing demands. But the shift to online only isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental change in how financial services are delivered. And Ally Bank, a prominent player in this space, has built its entire business model around this concept. To truly understand Ally's online-only approach, we need to delve into the core principles that drive it. It's not simply about avoiding the overhead costs associated with physical branches, although that's certainly a significant factor. It's about leveraging technology to provide a superior customer experience. It's about embracing efficiency, accessibility, and innovation. One of the most significant advantages of an online-only bank is the elimination of physical branch networks. This translates to substantial cost savings, which Ally Bank passes on to its customers in the form of higher interest rates on savings accounts and lower fees on other products. Think about it: no rent, no maintenance, no extensive staff for countless branches. Those savings add up. And in a competitive financial landscape, every basis point matters. But it's not just about cost. The online-only model allows Ally Bank to operate with a level of agility and flexibility that traditional banks simply can't match. They can adapt quickly to changing market conditions, implement new technologies seamlessly, and respond to customer feedback in real time. This responsiveness is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. Furthermore, an online-only platform provides unparalleled accessibility. Customers can manage their finances from anywhere, at any time, using their smartphones, tablets, or computers. No more rushing to the bank before it closes or waiting in long lines. With Ally Bank, your bank is always open, always accessible. This level of convenience is a game changer for many people, especially those with busy schedules or limited mobility. Now, some might argue that the lack of physical branches means a lack of personal connection. They might miss the face-to-face interaction with a bank teller or a financial advisor. However, Ally Bank has addressed this concern by investing heavily in its customer service infrastructure. They offer 24/7 phone support, live chat, and a comprehensive online help center. Their goal is to provide the same level of personalized service that you would expect from a traditional bank, but through digital channels. In addition to customer service, Ally Bank has focused on building a user-friendly and intuitive online platform. Their website and mobile app are designed to be easy to navigate, with clear and concise information. They understand that not everyone is a financial expert, so they strive to make banking as simple and straightforward as possible. Another key aspect of Ally's online strategy is its focus on transparency. They provide clear and upfront information about their products and services, including fees, interest rates, and terms and conditions. This commitment to transparency builds trust and fosters a positive relationship with their customers. When considering the historical context, it is important to remember Ally Bank's origination. Originally, it was GMAC Bank. This bank was the financial arm of General Motors. When the financial crisis of 2008 hit, the company had to make changes. This is where the rebranding to Ally Bank and the focus on online-only banking began. This was a strategic move to refocus the company and to make it more profitable in the new financial landscape. The digital transformation of the banking industry is not just about technology, it's about changing consumer expectations. People are increasingly comfortable with managing their finances online, and they expect their banks to provide a seamless and convenient digital experience. Ally Bank has recognized this trend and has positioned itself as a leader in the online banking space. In essence, Ally Bank's online-only model is a reflection of the changing times. It's a response to the growing demand for digital convenience, accessibility, and efficiency. It's a strategic decision that allows them to provide competitive rates, exceptional customer service, and a user-friendly platform. To summarize the key points: cost efficiency. Eliminating physical branches reduces overhead costs, allowing Ally Bank to offer better rates and lower fees. Accessibility. Online banking provides 24/7 access to financial services from anywhere. Customer service. Ally Bank invests in robust digital customer service channels to provide personalized support. Innovation. The online-only model allows for agility and rapid implementation of new technologies. Transparency. Ally Bank prioritizes clear and upfront communication with its customers. Adaptability. The bank has evolved to meet changing consumer expectations and the digital landscape. Historical context. The rebranding and online focus was a strategic move after the 2008 financial crisis. The move to online banking is not something that will reverse. The digital world is expanding, and financial institutions must adapt. Ally Bank has adapted, and it is positioned to continue its success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.